Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just want to say big thanks to all the new subscribers and patrons here. It's absolutely amazing to see you around. Today we're looking at Stacks token STX because we think it could potentially hit $1. I did recently go short on this token here. I made over 100% on a leveraged trade, but we are speculating $1, although my gut instinct is telling me that short is the way forward. We're going to look at some news today as to why Stacks is blowing up at the moment, and we can see it's a Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. So a lot of crazy stuff is going on for this particular coin right now. We're gonna look at the Twitter and some news that comes around with it as well. Remember guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. Today is your last chance to enter this giveaway, so please find the link down below. And also consider becoming a Patreon if you want to unlock trading signals. For example, this spot trade here, an engine call that I had this morning, immediately someone made some profits from that straight away. And if we look at the future leverage trading signals, we can see we were putting in some signals this morning. And again, look, the STX call was here, made 110% on this particular one, which is really nice. And some other people actually copy traded that one and made some good money as well. We have this guy here also copy traded on the Stacks cool, and loads of other cool ones. I mean, it's really cool to see this all happening. Everyone's learning, growing together. I know I talk a lot. Stop talking. Come on, Jacob, stop talking. Get straight to the point. What are you doing promoting yourself? How dare you do this? Well, we can see anyway, we've got a great community over here. Gosh, Jake, what is going on? Stop talking about yourself. No, I'm going to tell you. We got pre-sales as well, guys. We've got pre-sales, a big 10x opportunity, also linked down below. But let's get on with the video and talk about Stacks. So recent tweet just yesterday, it just seems every time there's a pullback for this coin, they just drop another crazy bit of news. So it says the Stacks Nakamoto release will enhance the power of Stacks as Bitcoin layer. Decentralized two-way Bitcoin peg to move Bitcoin in, out of the layer and right to Bitcoin. So we can see here, explore the SBTC and Stacks Nakamoto release white paper. So I had a little look. Haven't gone through the white papers completely, but it says here, growing the Bitcoin economy with Bitcoin layers. SBitcoin unlocking Bitcoin right, making Bitcoin a fully programmable productive asset. SBTC will allow Bitcoin to become foundation for more secure Web3 by enabling trustless writing to Bitcoin and the movement of Bitcoin in and out of Bitcoin layers. So that's so cool. Decentralization, trustless, and growth all combined together. And then you're going to get censorship resistancy, cheap peg in and out, and also commercially viable. So definitely a lot of potential for Stacks. They're growing in a bear market, which is very impressive as well. And we can see here over 2,000 Bitcoin names registered on the longest running blockchain name system, secured by the most robust and decentralized blockchain. So this is really good for Bitcoin. Of course, it's amazing for Stacks.Bitcoin as well. So let's hop into some quick analysis over here, guys, because this is what we're looking at. We're seeing, of course, actually, let's zoom out. Let's see what's going on, what's been happening over the last weeks, because really, yes, it's euphoric, but Stacks is still down massively. So this, it could just still be a sort of a big hype, some sort of news thing that's going on. Not really sure. Let's get some lights going on over here as well. Lights always help. Dude. So yeah, two massive weekly green candles, but we are of course down, and we have flipped this 0.48 into a lovely looking support level. However, we must start to look at the RSI, which is overbought, and of course acknowledge the next kind of area of resistance, which is where we are right now. This is a big area of resistance because it goes back in time all the way through to 2021 when we had lots of ups and downs. Moving into the daily time frame, we can see here multiple long wicks on these candles, which does reflect a huge amount of selling pressure at these particular levels. And it does look like, in my opinion, this range here is where you could potentially buy back in and get some more Stacks at a lower cost. So if we move to a 4-hour time frame, we can see that was a great short yesterday. We shorted down from 0.85 down to this support trend line, but then it actually got a nice bounce back up. So it would have been a liquidation if we didn't take those profits quick enough. So can speculate maybe this is another shorting area where the price will come back down to 0.7, but it's very hard to say. It's almost as if it really wants to break through this particular level and actually retarget or retest the next leg up. So from here, the swing high to swing low on the Fibonacci extension suggests that we might see stacks come up to at least 1.414, which would give us a price of 0.94, or hit that golden pocket 1618, going up to $0.98. So $1 is not off the cards just yet. However, you know, it's very euphoric, and we are seeing that bearish divergence here on the RSI and the price, in terms of the price going higher on the highs, and then the RSI actually diverging lower, with its highs printing lower. So there is a bearish divergence there. Bollinger Bands sitting at the top as well. So I would say it's more realistic that Stacks comes back down in price. If we were to go short on this particular area, because it's where my gut instinct is telling me, it would probably be better long here, enter a short in the current position. We get a quick short up here. I'd be shorting down really to here, with a take profit just above that 20-day on the Bollinger Band. So yeah, it'd be a very small short down to the 0.78 level if I was to go short right now. But honestly guys, it's an interesting one, because any more massive updates and FOMO that comes along with this, because of course in Feb 23 we had so much volume for stacks, and ever since, you know, it's just been going wild. Feb 19, loads of volume as well, and also the volume started to begin around 13th of Feb, so somebody knew something. But these sort of things don't last forever. If we were to just get rid of all this kind of noise and look at exactly what's going on, in my opinion, it's starting to look a little bit bearish. It's not sustainable. The pump is not sustainable. I do think we will revisit this 20-day moving average at some point, which we're now so overextended on. You know, if we just assume it was to keep going up, there is no reason why you wouldn't see a few little pullbacks along the way in terms of the price action. So let's see what happens. A dollar could happen, but I do think we are due a pullback still. If we do get that correction, I mean, we already touched the 0.5 level. I still think coming back to 50 cents is not off the cards, but at the moment it kind of looks like the bulls are in control and want to hit that $1 level. Remember guys, get yourself into the Discord down below if you are new to this channel. That's really, really important. And also check the link down below if you want to become a Patreon, where you're going to get loads of cool benefits, signals, free ebook, leverage trading signals, spot signals, one-on-one lessons, early access, and inside info around some of the coolest pre-sales in the crypto space as well. That'd be really awesome if you can become a patron. That will help me grow and help the community grow and everyone else grow. Here is the fear and greed index today, sitting at 56. The market is sort of cooling off a little bit from its euphoric tops, where we had a few blow-off tops. We were actually at 65 on the fear and greed index not long ago, and just last week we were at 62. So yeah, we're starting to see a little bit of hope get extinguished from the bulls at the moment. And remember, those 3 pre-sales I was talking about are just linked down below for you if you want to check those out as well. But remember guys, nothing I say is financial advice. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you soon, people, and I hope you can give me the benefit of the doubt and slap that subscribe button and just do something to help me, because that would really help this channel grow. Anyways, bye.